and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to restore WhatsApp messages. So let's go to our WhatsApp. Once we're in our WhatsApp, basically this is our chat, whatnot, right? Then we just want to go to settings. It's the three dots over here, and then we go to settings. Over here, if you go to chats, as you can see, our chat is not backed up. We have to make sure our chat is backed up. So we're just gonna put it on monthly. We're just gonna put it in this account, and it's just gonna authenticate with Google. So I'm just gonna let that do. I'm just gonna give it allow, and done. And that's being backed up. And I want to press on backup once again, and let's just back this up. We're just gonna wait. I'll come back and see you guys when it's already done backing up. Alright, and I'm back. So as you can see, my chat over here is backed up. Everything's done, and now all there's left is for me to restore it. So how do I do that? Well, honestly, for me right now, it's not going to be that easy for me to show, but it's basically when you come to chat backup or chat history, you're going to have another option called restore chats, which I don't have at the moment, and that's because I have the chats here, and if I delete these chats, then it's going to get deleted from my backup as well. I'm going to show you that I'm going to delete this chat, right? Wait, it showed me a warning, right? Messages will only be removed from your device, and your device is on a newer version of WhatsApp. I'm just gonna delete them, right? It's gone. I can go to my settings. If I go to my chats, chat backup, it's not here. Why is it not here? Because I have to basically, look, you can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. So basically, I have to reinstall my device and sign in from the same number. And when I do that, the chats are going to get automatically backed up. So don't just delete your chats. Make sure this backup is only when you get locked out or you lose your account and you want them back. This is not for you to delete and then it's going to come back. You have to basically delete WhatsApp, reinstall it, and when you reinstall it, the messages are going to come back. I'm sorry that I'm not able to show you guys a well elaborated tutorial on how to restore them, but it's basically as simple as that. Make sure you have them backed up, and once they're backed up, just reinstall WhatsApp, and it's gonna get automatically, your chat is gonna automatically restore on its own. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.